So in this video we're going to talk about transposing data and copy and pasting. So let's suppose I have this following data here, but I want it laid out differently such that the names go across as well as the exams. So what you can do is you can highlight your data. I'm going to Control C to copy it on your keyboard, so Control plus C. And then I'm going to click on D1, right click, Paste Special, and then I'm going to click Transpose, so that will flip the rows and columns, and then click OK. And then you'll see here that the data has indeed been transposed. Note that the Paste Special feature, there's a lot of different things you can do here. I'll have a separate video here in just a moment that demonstrates a different way you can copy and paste items, but you can copy and paste formulas, values, formats, values and number formats, formulas and number formats, column widths, all except borders, sources, validation, etc. So there's a lot of different things you can do here if you do the right click copy paste special instead of just doing as this example here. If I would have just done Control V, which will paste, it just does a direct paste.